Assalamualaikum. You are watching TN News. Breaking news from Sakro, where Kurbani meat was distributed Islamic Relief Pakistan. Distributed sacrifice meat to serve deserving people in UC Kakran and UC Kagan and its surrounding villages, in which the Kakran Youth Alliance team cooperated closely with the Islamic Relief team. 4,000 families were included in the sacrifice meat recovery program, which included many deserving families. Mashuk Ali in Islamic Relief Pakistan, with the team support of Young Social Network and Kakran Naujawan Ittihad, Ilmuddin Rind, Ashik Ali Rind and Rahmatullah Bukero. Reported by Shahid Hussain Samuf with the cameraman Roshan Ali, TN News, Sakro, Thatta.